welcome everybody. We are back again. Welcome everybody. So I went to break before, so I'm back for the part two of the consequences that they can bring in your marriage when you are cheating on your partner. Okay, the consequences that brings when you are cheating on your partner. So you have to be careful. There's a lot of consequences. There's a lot of risk if you are cheating, if you are that type that cheats on your wife or your husband, that is your partner. Okay? So these things can cause a lot of things. Like I said before, if you watch the part one of the video I just did, now you see what I said there. I have already said it all in that first part. So effect of cheating on your marriage, in your marriage, reviewed by Adadiche Blog TV. So I'm here to encourage you, advise you to stop cheating on your partner. Is not good. It brings a lot of, there is risk and consequences that follows it. That is why you see a lot of marriages today is shattered because of cheating. Let us use the case of, you guys can see everything I will talk to you Adadiche. Yes, it's the one that we see in publicly. You know, it's not only the person that cheated and got a second wife, but his own come out in social media and is still on up to this day. And he said they like it. So imagine if I thought that he didn't go and sleep with that cheat, also he didn't go and cheat for his cheat on his wife. I think all this problem could have not been, it could have not come at the process. They lost their 18, 17 years old boy, and it doesn't make sense for him, and he's still happy with the one he called his second wife. You understand me? Why, if he did not go and cheat and sleep with Jesus, I don't think that a family would chat out. I don't think that will happen to his son. I don't think that all this insult, humiliation, and other things that are happening to him today, or both a career, both everything that they have labored, the names will be spoiled like that. So now he's living the kind of a best life with the one he called his second wife, he called a wife or whatever. But forgetting tomorrow, what tomorrow will give. What about that your children that are watching everything you are doing? But it's like the worst part of it is that those people that are still cheating has children, and they have grown-up children. Your children is watching, they are seeing you, and so what do you want them to do? What do you want them if they are growing now, growing like to adults, and they start doing such a thing? If you get a girl, you will start sleeping around. Yeah, you don't have much to advise her, or the boy don't have much to tell him, stop this, don't do this. It's not good, because he cannot tell him or her that is what you are doing. So he cannot tell him, don't do this, it's not good. You cannot tell her, because you say, what about you? Is it not from you we let it? Is it not from you we take this from you? So that is why we need to advise ourselves, be careful, because the consequences is that that legacy you are leaving for the children may destroy their future. You may destroy their future. Yes, during your own time, you may think that you are living your best lifestyle, but you don't know that you are destroying the future of your children, bringing bad names in your home, your marriage. Just maybe let us take example that your children grow up today, you want to go and marry. Some parents may not refuse to give their child to your children. Say that people that always commit to fornication and adultery, it can't go to that family. It brings bad name as well. But our African people, some of them don't see it at anything. Some will say it's a tradition. Some say it's a culture, or our religion allows it. Okay, look at all those people that religion allowed, how their family look like. Commotion upon commotion. How their life look like, because some of them have money and cover up. But if you go inside that family, inside that marriage, you know, say it's hellfire. If you go inside that family, you know that is a hellfire. consequences follows. Is a hellfire. You see that they are not laughing, they are not happy, only they are pretending. So if you are cheating you are cheating on your partner, hey, you are making a very big mistake. Oh, it's better if you are not enough to handle your home. It's better if you forget about marriage. You forget about marriage. I know there are a lot of people say, I don't know what you are saying. Some people are suffering because maybe their husband cannot do them well, or their wife cannot satisfy them. Actually, even your wife or your husband is not satisfying you well, there is a way to go about it. It can take treatment. It can also pray to God to restore your man. It can also pray to God to change your wife, restore your woman. That you don't know how to do it well, you can teach her. You can teach him. Two of you are a couple, you are a partner. So you can teach each other what the other one don't know how to do. You can teach, you understand me? So, but a lot of people say that if you're going out there cheating on your wife, carrying women is the best solution. Why is the worst solution so far? Is the worst solution. But that day you started doing it is the day you are bringing calamity upon your life. You are bringing reduction upon your life. You are bringing reduction, yes. You are bringing your downfall. You are bringing your downfall. More especially in the woman's side, you are bringing the downfall of your husband. You are bringing unsuccessful, or that your husband cannot be a successful person. So a lot of consequences follow, a lot of risk, a lot of, it affects many things. It affects many things. So it's good. And look at when you are in love with your wife. You say you are in love. Some people say, I'm in love with this, that. Just name. Some people talk it for their mouths. But it didn't reach to the heart. Some people also show it. I said it before, maybe that will be the topic for tomorrow. If you have a man or a woman that really does this, that, hold it tight. I have made a video. If you are watching me for YouTube, please, you can also visit my page, Adadiche Blog TV page, Adadiche Blog TV 2. Okay? So you can visit my page and see more interesting videos. It's not everything I'm uploading in YouTube. I'm not uploading everything in YouTube. But this live, I have decided to be doing it also in YouTube here every weekend by special grace of God. Because I'm back again to make my content. You guys know that before I'm so busy somehow. It will be long. I'm not be uploading the way I'm supposed to be uploading. But this page is going to be still. I'm going to still giving you update about Zion over this Ebokobi ministry, our daddy in the Lord, and also this my teaching. I will be giving you this, and if you want to watch about our daddy in the Lord, Facebook, you see that in Adadiche Blog TV page. If you want to see this teaching, you see it Adadiche Blog TV 2. So that is how I divided it, so that the two contents, this one will be having this one will be having this. But if you come to YouTube, you will see all in Adadiche Blog TV in YouTube. Okay, so if you want to get more, you want to be more inspired by Adadiche, you want to get more experience in your relationship, in your marriage, advice and all that, to contact me at Adadiche Blog TV 2 in Facebook. That is where you are going to see a lot of videos I have made about concerning relationship and marriage. You go there, you will like it and follow up. Then on your bell notification, if it is Adadiche Blog TV page, that is where you are going to be seeing Evangelist Chukwuebuka or Anozi videos and other blog things that I'm blogging. That is where I do public blogging. Okay, so a lot of consequences follows in this cheating of things. A lot of consequences, a lot of distractions, a lot of things. I'm telling the truth. Don't be proud of being a cheating husband. Don't be proud to be a cheating wife. You bring a lot of consequences. Consider your home. Consider your children. Consider the future of your children or unborn children. Consider that, because if you don't consider that, feeling that you are living your best life can bring disasters, can bring elimination, can bring insult, can bring reduction for your children in future. It can bring a lot of things if you don't know. That is the consequences. That is the consequence. It can bring a lot of things. So by then, maybe you are no more. Sometimes you will be alive and see it by yourself, and you will be regretting your action in a past time. You'll be regretting your actions. So that is this why you have to start now amending your ways if you are hearing me. Okay, follow up every Saturday, Sunday, gather here by 8 p.m. African time, and 8 p.m. European time, and 7 p.m. Nigeria time, African time. Okay, yes, by next month or this month, we are going to be the same time with Africa. So I believe it will be 7 p.m. in the evening, so that we will do it from 7 to 9, because I'll be doing it as 2 programs that day. I will do and go break and come back. So if you miss the first track, you can also join for the second track. So then you can go and watch the video later if you have your time. Okay, very, very important. If you want to really learn with me, follow me up on your bell notification, Adadiche Blog TV, in Facebook and YouTube. Don't miss it. Every weekend we are going to be here by special grace of God. So let's go. So we are back again for our teaching. So we have to do the work God sent us to do. By God's grace, not by my power. I believe that this time around, I'm going to give you guys what you needed. And I believe that you're going to learn, someone are going to learn something from here, from this, my platform. And I pray that God will use me and deliver some families, some marriages, some relationship that is strongly to be stay, because a lot of relationships are strong to be stay, to end it in marriages. So I'm going to be telling you a lot of things you're supposed to do and sustain that your relationship for it to end in marriages. Okay, and God will bless you as you are following me. And don't forget to share my video. If you find my video interesting, please help me share. Okay, and God bless you. Don't forget that I'm still with Adadiche with our daddy, that I'm going to still giving you the updates. Okay, and God bless you for that. So don't forget that I said a lot of consequences follows in this cheating. So if you have a man that doesn't cheat, please hold that man very well. If you have a woman that doesn't even try it or think about it, that woman is the queen, is the best woman so far, because this is what caused a lot of damages in marriage today. It caused a lot of divorce. It caused a lot of things. Do you understand me? It caused a lot of things. So if you're a man and you're proud to be a cheater, you are making a very big mistake. So if you love your wife so much, you respect that woman you put in your house, you need to stop doing that. And if you're a woman, because this cheating, I'm not talking about only men. I'm talking about the partner, the both partners, the two couples. That if you're a woman, never you even try to think about it. And if you do think about it, try to do U-turn. U-turn, change. Ask for forgiveness. And your wife, husband, if you're a good man that loves you so much, don't want to miss you, he will also forgive you. Not only your husband forgiving you, you also ask forgiveness to God Almighty to forgive you, because it's bad thing, it's bad woman, brings a lot of disasters, bring a lot of destruction. You bring your man down, you bring a dignity, respect, everything. Do you understand me? You bring a lot of things. Thank you so much. God bless you. Creativity, welcome. Gina, thank you so much for coming on YouTube. So it brings a lot of havoc, bring a lot of commotion. Nothing where you know they bring. I see a lot of men pranks and know when their wife even talk, they will beat joy. If more especially if you're a man that take care of the woman's side, you'll be, you will not take that woman serious. After all, if you don't like to stay, you can go to your father's house, because you believe that he is the one providing. That is why it's good, a woman too, to have something doing. Don't stay, don't just fold your hand and waiting for a man to be everything. Be productive, be productive. Because if you don't have maths in that your home, That is how it's going to be. He will be humiliating you, he will be insulting you, he will be using you anyhow. Even if you carry that woman on top of you and he will not do anything. So a lot of men does that. And some women as well, you are not afraid. Some even goes that far to invite men in their house, in her house, in husband's house, defending the matrimonial home without fearing. Okay, let me ask you a question. If you're a woman or you're a man and you are doing this, you see that sometimes he hides doing this kind of thing. You know that this thing you are hiding is bad, is not good. So why are you hiding if you know that it's good? Why are you hiding that woman you are friending outside? Why are you hiding that man you are fornicating with, you are committing adultery with? If you know that what you are doing. So he knows what you are doing. So you need to stop it. Embrace God and change. Respect your man. Respect your dignity. Respect yourself. Respect everything. Because respect your family you're married to. Respect your children. Respect your parents. Respect the society. Respect your friends. Respect everything concerns you. This is what you have to think before going into going into that adultery, committing fornicating. We are not a righteous person anyway. Like I always told you, but we have to give the message the way it comes. We have to give the message. So I myself am talking to myself as well, talking to everyone. So let us not be bragging or be in that sin, be in that we are doing and we know that is not good, and also brag, that is, be proud of what we are doing, and you know that what you are doing is very, very wrong, and you are proud of it because you believe your partner cannot do anything. You believe your partner, if you don't want to be, he can leave the marriage and go. If you don't want to be, he can leave the marriage and go, for example. Do you understand me? So you need to stop it. Even if you are God for that person, God never treats you as such. Please share this video for me. Like and share. Share it to your loved ones. Share it everywhere. Everywhere, please. If you are watching me in your YouTube, you can like the video. If you are watching me in Facebook, you can also like the video and share. And God will bless you. Please help me share. Thank you so much, my friend, for YouTube. God bless you for coming, watching my video. Please share the video for me. Thank you so much for watching. I'm coming, guys. Okay, so it caused a lot of destruction in marriages. It caused a lot of damages, and it's also a betrayer. He betraying your love. The love he prophesied to the woman, you betray it he betrayed that love. So when you are sleeping with other women, when you have a wife, you have already betrayed your love. And you will not expecting that woman to to love you the way you feel like it will love you. You will not expect that woman to respect you again. A lot of men respect that also because a lot of men get disrespect from their wife because of this cheating. Because he cannot see a woman cannot see his husband cheating, and he expect that woman to be happy. He expect that woman to be calling sa, darling, honey, I love you. There is no love in that. There is no love. So he cannot expect that woman to respect you again. That is what he calls the consequences. He will bring disrespect. He will not he will not accept that woman to respect you. He bring dishonor. He bring distortion. He bring downfall. He cannot be a successful man. Even if he be, he cannot use your money. That money you are making, he cannot use it well. It will be useless because the kind of life you will be living will be like life of course. You live like life of course, as if they are cursing you. You understand me? So you need to avoid, because you have after effects. It will be affecting you in mental, because sometimes you'll be thinking. Your thinking will be here and there. Because you cannot concentrate us as well. And the same thing with your wife. Your wife cannot concentrate anymore. You make that woman sleepless night because you will not concentrate. You will be having sleepless night. You will be thinking. And he will make the woman too to be restless. You will not have peace of mind. Because anytime you are not home in time, you will be thinking, what is happening to my husband? Where is him now? What is going on wherever he is now? Have you thought about that? So that's the reason why you have to avoid cheating. Cheating is not good. It doesn't bring good reputation. It doesn't go well. Because on the process, you may lose your life. Because you never know the mind of the person, the side chick you are dealing with. You never know the side with chick boy you are dealing with. Because by the time you started dating a man when you are in a husband place, cheating on your partner, the guy might go extremely far to harm your husband. If you love, if you are giving him the thing where the hunger, where the sweeter, the love don't enter. He wants to scatter your bread. He wants to scatter his bread. He might kill your husband. He might permit your husband. He might cut him off in order to have the access to you fully. Because that is what he wanted. You see, this is why these consequences, what it can cause. You'll be a man too. That side chick you are going with can also harm your wife and your children. Because they can do undo. They are desperate women. They are desperate women. It can do undo. So this is the reason why we have to also be careful what we do with women outside. For cheating in the marriage is not good. It have its consequences. It have after effect. It have damage. It can cause a lot of havoc. It can cause commotion. It can cause a family not going well. It can cause many things. It causes a lot of things. You see why you have to avoid that. Don't start. And if you do, say you are doing such thing, kindly return. Kindly change, amend your ways. Kindly change, amend your ways. Hello, I am on live. We can join Yatra. So kindly do U-turn. Do you know that? Do you know that? Do you know that? I'm coming. Do you know that the cheating on your wife can lead your wife earlier grave? There is not every woman can enjoy it. It's not every woman can endure see her husband cheating on her. Some women relaxed and feel at home. They are married. I'm devoted. I'm married to this man. He promised me, he loved me. He promised me, he married me, pay my bride price. It's me and him. He decided to marry fully. But when they see you cheat on them, they get disappointed. Some women cannot bear it. Some women may die. Some women, may go extremely to find a way to even permit you. People will not send message. That is the consequences, things that can involve in that cheating. Likewise, some men, everybody are not the same. Some men, because of it cheats on them, they know every woman they can permit you. They permit you, then go permit you, finish you, and they say nothing they happen. Even if something will happen, they don't want to see you living again. So this is the reason why you have to avoid cheating on your partner. It is not a good reputation. It's not a good recommendation. It's not a good name. If you used to do it, please, when watching this video, try to amend your way. Try to change. Try to find a way to change. It will give you good. It will make you a better person. Try to find a way to change, amend your ways. It will make you a better person. It will make your home safe. Safe because your home is not safe because you are cheating. Anything can happen. Anything can happen. Your home is not safe because you are cheating. Anything can happen. Because the woman you are cheating on, you don't know whether this woman, you don't know what is in her mind. The man you are cheating for, you don't know what is in his mind. The people you are going with, you don't know what is that person's mind. If you need you, desperate woman, you come out your wife one corner. If you're a desperate man that the law when they give her now self, you can promote your husband for corner, have full access. That are not that you don't lose your man, and when he enter in, and then you go no say you go get trouble, and then you go no say no be love they show you before, it just they deceive you. If you are still a okay, yeah, sorry, thank you so much, thank you for the advice. Yeah, exactly, you are right, sorry, thank you so much for that. Yeah, that is why sometimes I use some words because this both YouTube and Facebook, all of them have their policy. You cannot use some because there's some words you have to use. They will not, but you have to use something that you use it to interpret it. They will not understand. Thank you so much, MZ, DDS Creativity. Thank you so much. God bless you for that advice. I hope you are enjoying my program. So please help me share and subscribe in my YouTube channel and Facebook. You can also follow me there. So I'm going to end this live because my time is off. I'm supposed to end the live by 10 o'clock. It is 10:20. So let me end it 10:30 because I came late as well. So because the program is going to be two hours every Saturday and Sunday. That 2 hours I'm going to be coming through live. Because if I do 1 hour, if I come in time, I have to do 1 hour and go break like 5 minutes or 10 minutes, come back and do 40 or 45 or 50 minutes. Then I'll close for we call it a weekend. Then next week I come back by God's grace. I say, may God give me the grace. As I started it back, that's on a Saturday, Sunday, so that you will invite your favorite Saturday, Sunday by 7 p.m. Just tune in. Put your notification bell on the notification that whenever I enter live, you you will be notified. Thank you so much, Mr. Obed. So thank you so much. So you will be notified that I'm live, so they will not miss any of my video. And if I post, you also get the notification. Okay, so I believe with this we are going to get there, and I believe with this a lot of people are going to learn from this topic display. So, and God bless. We are going to be posting our normal posts, but weekend we do this. We talk about relationship and marriage, what people are suffering and how to resolve. If you have any opinion in Facebook, or you can come in and say your mind, or YouTube, anywhere. Because YouTube we cannot bring somebody in, but Facebook can bring somebody in. Then we can talk about it. If you have any question, you can DM me or send me message. My number is in my YouTube, my business number. You can call me if you have any question or any advice from me. In my Facebook, the same thing, they have my WhatsApp number is there. You are free to call anytime, anytime. If you have any advice, you have anything, you want to give me a job, you want to advertise anything, you want me to advertise something for you, you can contact me, okay? Anything you want me to do, as far as it's something that is good, you have content that you want to give me, if I want to report something and I want you to talk about it, you are free. Bring it to me, we talk it here, okay? And people will still learn, because we are here to learn. This is a motivational platform where we learn a lot of things, okay? So we are going to be giving you guys by special grace of God. And thank you so much for you seeing me in this appearance. Is I want to show you how African women look like, more especially my where I come from, Igbo land in Nigeria, Biafra. So this is how we dress. So I'm going to be dressing this way, native way, when I'm doing this topic, Saturdays, Sundays. I think it's okay. So if you like it, tell me in comment section. Every Saturday, Sunday, we dress like women. Okay? As a swagger mama, elderly, I can dress like my swagger lazy mama. Guys. Okay, so in case you two, you guys don't know that I'm a swagger mama, I'm a swagger mama. Kelenwa on top, aka Adadiche, the swagger mama. So weekend we are going to be showing our dress. We are going to be showing our this thing. Yes, it's very nice. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, my friend from Facebook, YouTube. God bless you. Thank you so much. He said like it. Thank you so much. Please invite people to come, okay? Saturday, tomorrow by this time, we are going to start again 8 p.m. European time, 7 p.m. Nigeria time. So I believe that by God's grace, I'm starting time. I hope the time is okay. Yeah, it's okay. Why I made it that time is the time everybody will be at home after the day activities, after the, after you have gone at church, come back, so in the evening, everybody will be at home. Then we'll discuss about what is happening in our marriages, what is happening in our relationship. So, and things we need to do and things we don't supposed to do. As a married woman, as a married man, as somebody that have fiancé and they're about to marry the person, and the kind of women you need to mingle with, the kind of lifestyle you need to live in your marriage or your relationship, and the kind of men you need to appreciate, the kind of woman you need to also appreciate. Very, very important. You understand me? A lot of people lack a lot of things in marriages today. That is why the marriage is causing a lot. The problem is too much. More especially if you come to social media, it's too much. Some of them knows, but they purposely do what they are doing. They still need to learn. If you know, you still need to learn more. But there is something you might be doing. You believe that that thing is right, is perfect. Why that thing is not right? I don't see it as a wrong thing. So when you get to, that is why I tell people, social media is not bad. Social media is good. You learn a lot of good things. We learn a lot of bad things. Depending on what you want and how you want it, you see a lot of good things. You see a lot of bad things. And so it also help. Social media help also to reduce depression. reduce many things, reduce a lot of problems in our lifestyles. So I love it. I don't know about you. So I learn a lot of things. I like to watch what I know that I can learn something for. If it is what I cannot learn something, I see it, I script it away. So please help me share the video, like, and invite your friends for tomorrow by this time. Like as I said, don't miss tomorrow on. I know that by God's grace, He will give us another good topic that we are going to treat tomorrow. If you have any idea, with your comments, if I'm reading, it can also give me morale. It can also inspire me to be going more and more. So I need your contribution. I need your encouragement. I need your advice. I need everything, because if you are doing something and you're not seeing anybody watching you or liking or sharing, meaning that what you are doing is not going. So that is the reason why we plead and ask people to follow and share and invite people to come and like. Because if only you is watching and other people are not seeing it, meaning that it's not going. So share, share. And God bless you. So guys, I have to go now. My time is off. 2 minutes or 3 minutes to when we have to live the life. Okay. So thank you so much. I really appreciate everyone. Thank you. So do you have any question on this topic today? We have 3 minutes to go. So this 3 minutes, let me use it and take questions. If anybody have any question, we are waiting here to hear from you. So if you have any question, please can you ask us in comment section. Please share the video and let people enter now. Emisi, thank you so much for watching. So we are waiting 2 minutes time. I'm going to go offline. If you have any question, you can ask us in comment section. If you have any contribution, if you like the video, if you like what I'm doing, please can we see your positive comments in the comment section? Can you also help us to share the video? Looking good, dear. Thank you, Juliet. God bless you for coming. Thank you so much. So this is how we are going to be looking like African woman when we are discussing about marriage. Yes, now may we see they give a good example to our people. Okay, thank you. Somebody have complimented me for my look. So YouTube people, can we hear your comments? Can we see your comments? Give us a positive comment if you like the topic of today and you like what you see, because I have only 1 minute to go. I've been here 2 hours ago. So tomorrow, don't forget to on your bell notification to join. Join tomorrow by 8 p.m. European time, 7 p.m. African time. Don't miss it too. Good evening. T-Boy, you are coming late. My time is off, so I need to close now, guys. My time is off. Thank you so much for tuning in. Sorry, man. You don't have problem there. My time is off. So, this second part will not be good. It's not going to be long. The first part that will be long, like 1 hour. The second part is not going to be long because I need to go and sleep, so that I don't want to closing very late, Nigeria network was down. Okay, no problem. You're highly welcome. You that tried to come, thank you so much for coming. Out of Adadiche team, you are the only one that's showing love. And God bless you. Adadiche team they are not trying, but it is well. I'm deeply sorry. Don't worry yourself. You don't need to bother yourself, dear. It is well. We are going. We are going. It's not. It's okay. It's okay. But you need to talk to your team people. Oh. You need to talk to your team people. Okay, T-boy, the moderator, my moderator is here, but he came late. I have to go. So, T-boy, you need to talk to your team people. Let them bottle up. Adadiche team, they are not doing well. They are not trying at all. You look nice. Wow, Jessica, my friend, she come late. Jessica, you're welcome. Good evening. Very beautiful dress. Thank you so much. Yes, I said today, make I show on my Africa dress. You know, when people are seeing me with my swagger mama dress, they don't understand. They don't say I be really swag mama. Okay, ma. Welcome. So, guys, I will go because my husband is waiting for me. I don't know whether I go text her, give her a sign, make it give me 10 minutes as I'm having my friend coming. I still waiting for who to say something. Okay, I talk to them, no problem. Who to say something? Now I have removed, I will not be doing live on Monday, Tuesday. So it's only Saturday, Sunday I will be doing live here. It's not that I'm not going to be doing live in Facebook. Monday, Saturday, Sunday is the main life top this if I'm talking about family, marriage and life relationship. Saturday and Sunday is my normal live stream I'm going to be, because I'm holding it in a YouTube and Facebook right now. I'm live into both sides, so I'm going to be doing that one. Is my normal one. But if I have any topic that just came urgent that I needed to talk, I can come live. So, but my normal lives, in case you are watching me for Facebook or YouTube, please, every Saturday and Sunday by 7 p.m. Nigeria African time and 8 p.m. European time. Okay, then later now we with Africa, they will have the same time, so it's going to be 7 p.m. in the evening. You understand me? So that I can be able to round up in time and go and sleep. Okay, so and do other things. Not that I'm going to sleep safe. I'm going to start another journey, and maybe I will start doing my editing and other things before it will be too late for me, because I do go late sleep. It's not good sometimes. Person need to, yeah. So please always join me by 7 p.m. in evening African time. Okay, 7 p.m. that is will be our 8 p.m. in European time. But that 8 p.m., like I said before, if our time change, we and Africa is going to be the same time. That means by 7, before 7:30, I will be on live. So just put your notification. Let us be talking about this. We need to learn from me, I learn from you. So this my platform is a motivational platform where you can learn a lot of things, and those things we see that is good with me and you talking to me. As write comments can still help. We can forge ahead learning. For so there is certain things I may be saying I might not be right. You that might be right than me, you correct me, then we learn. I have learned from you. Then the one I say that is that you say it is right and share the video. Let other people know. We need to talk about this and stop some certain things that we are doing. We are enjoying your program. Thank you, Jessica. Jessica, thank you so much. Noted. You look so nice in this dress. Wow, Ingo Kafo, thank you so much. Thank you so much. This is my friend from Facebook, my fans from Facebook. Thank you so much. Yes, I decided to look like this today. I want to know the reaction of people, what they will tell me. And now you guys are telling me that it's good. So that means we are going to be dressing like Mama the Mama. So we are going to be dressing like this when we are doing the program. I hope you guys like it. For my first YouTube, they say they like it. So the Facebook also said they like it. That means the dress is perfect. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Thank you for liking my dress and my program. Yes, Jessica says enjoying my program. Thank you, Jessica. Thank you, God. Thank you, TJ, T-Boy. Thank you, Juliet. Thank you, Beth. Thank you, Kelenwa. Thank you, Lillian. Thank you, everyone, for YouTube. Thank you as well. Despite that you guys are not commenting much, you are just watching. No problem. I like it. I still appreciate. Thank you, everyone. God bless you all. Okay. So in my program Saturday, is allowed to chip in if you want any question. You want me to bring you on call, you want to say something concerning the particular topic we are treating that day, you are free. You can request, click on that request and join. If you don't know how to request, you tell me, write it in the comment section. I can bring it by myself. Then you tell the words what you know about that topic we are treating that day. You tell the word what you know there, because your advice can also help someone depression somewhere. Your advice can also help that marriage that's about to scatter, chapter somewhere. So that is good. So when communicating with people, everybody idea is so meaningful. You understand? Everybody idea, everybody comment is so meaningful. Everybody, so watching me is so meaningful to me. You watching me is so meaningful for you. You can also learn something useful for yourself and use it that method and it work for you. Please help me and watch my previous videos. If you're watching for YouTube, I said before, you can also join me in Facebook, because not everything I'm uploading is YouTube. It's not everything I'm uploading in YouTube. So in case so that you don't miss all my posts. Okay? Okay. Thank you so much. I love you guys. I'll see you again in my next video. See you tomorrow. By God's grace. Love you all. Bye bye.